just got off doing Q&A. This is Wario again. I'm a little bummed because I just got off doing Q&A. It was so exhausting. But I got a new W&W Ceiling Fan that I think is going to go beyond the limit of all ceiling fan inventions so far. It is called the W&W Magno-beam. Here it is. What's so great about this fan, you ask? It has a magnet and a down rod, so you can bounce it on magnetic ceilings. Or magnetic rods that you got along ceilings. Or even pipes. You can attach it to pipelines as well. And, well, I just love it. This fan has got a lot. Including one of W&W's first fans that would have an uplight, for what people call it. There's a light kit switch. There's no fan pull chain because I'm planning to make this a wall controller remote. But well, use the switch for regular light kit on the bottom or the uplight. Blades are currently non-reversible in brown cardboard finish. But with your votes, I'm going to add a reversible blade color, which will be either black or silver, and the only way I can decide is with the help of you viewers. Whichever one you would decide on is the one I'm going to do, because they both sound great and I can't make up my mind, so it's up to you viewers. But every user can only vote once. Second votes do not count. If you want to republish your vote, then you must delete your first vote and then put in the second vote. Because only one vote is accepted for every user. And also for the vote to work out, at least 3 people must vote. And if an even number of people vote, and it ends up in a tie, I'm going to have the tiebreaker game called Heads versus Tails, which you do with the coin. And that way, the mind will be made up. Sure, a lot of you are probably playing for silver, so you might have your instincts to go for that. But if it resolves into a tie, I'm doing the coin flip game. So, yeah. I'm going to show some more features of this fan. Again, it's got a magnet on top of the down rod to the canopy. So this fan can actually be installed without any screws onto a magnetic ceiling. Which means I can just do this. You might be wondering what I can just do this meant. You can mount it inside cages, small enough to fit. And again, magnetic canopy. So you can mount it on pipelines, metal ceilings, and stuff. I think it's made of metal and it hangs downward. Definitely has an argument with side mounting. So, definitely really useful. Again, it has an uplight as well. And well, it may not be the best of spinning blades may not have the best performance, but overall pretty good. It's got a bright white kit. So I'm gonna do something. So the magnet for the magnetic canopy is pretty strong. So yeah, easy mounting provided by this fan. Mountable on like mount surfaces that manage to contract. So all you really have to do is put some metal on your ceiling and then you're good to go to install this fan. And really, it's that simple. Whoever has to counter that is obviously dumb enough so that they don't know this fan is capable of that power. Put on the microwave hood. Uplight is pretty big, actually. I'm gonna get away from here because the stove is still cooling down, even though it's an hour after Chef had cooked. So put it like this. Put it like this. The uplight is very bright. The wall of the uplight. And the wall without the uplight. I think you could see the difference there. Now another test. Paper bag, it's safe with uplight and no uplight. Clearly you can see the difference. And this is the normal light. Also pretty bright. This probably reminded you of a Nicola Star Trix's craft-made fan. But this fan has an additional feature to that, other than this. The emergency light feature. So there's this option on the very top of the switch that you can enable this to have blinking red lights where the up light is. Definitely recommended for emergencies. So you can use this fan kind of like a silent fire alarm. If you detect the fire, well, or the power is out, you can just turn this on to provide light in the dark, or yeah, you can provide light in the dark when the power is out, or warn everybody with the signal that there might be danger around. It's pretty nice. What does this fan not have? In fact, the light kit's even removable. Well, not the up light, but the down light. And easily you could flip it to this position for the light kit. If you're just testing or the danger is over. And then it's back to normal up light. And this is off position, and flipping the light kit switch all the way down is to turn on the normal light kit. Now I'm going to go over the removable light kit. Unscrew it. Wires inside attached to it. And you can have it there without the light kit. All I really have to do is just take the wires off and then light kit's removed. It's best to leave the wire in there and the light it on, because the light gets really good, convenient. Even though it's removable for cases you might not want it. And to show you significant brightness. This is a bright light kit. It's so bright. I need to go to a different room to show you this. But yeah, really bright. That look what it's doing to the ceiling. Making that much light on the ceiling. And the reason why it's called W&W Magno-beam, because it shines like a beam. Get it just right. I'll be able to focus in on the brightness. So you could see it's made of LED bulbs, kind of. Now you can clearly see the LED bulbs inside. I have to get it at an angle so it will focus, so that the light doesn't shine directly into the camera. Now I brought this thing in here for airflow test. The blades are pretty light. You can bend them. You can bend them easily since they're so light. W&W is only copying the fan anyways, so it's not for sale if you ask. Look at the 6 LEDs this light is made of. They're very strong LEDs. That's why it's so bright. So, okay, that went to failure very quickly. "100% invented." A new innovation to the fan world, where you can just put metal on your ceiling and then attach the fan. All you have to do is put the wiring through the ceiling and through the magnet, and then the magnet attaches to the metal, and wow, it's already installed. Pretty easy to install. W&W's new convenience is here with this fan. So, if you enjoyed, make sure that by leaving a like down below. And well, thank you for making us get to 50 subscribers, everybody. I'll make a Funny Moments 3 video for all you. A new plush video will be coming. A series of new plush videos are be coming, actually. And make sure to subscribe as well. Especially if you haven't yet. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Now our goal is set to 100 subscribers. And I'll be able to get Funny Moments 4 out there. And that'll be all. And then, whatever happens, happens. So please help us get to 100 subscribers now. And thank you for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. And also, please don't forget to comment your vote down below, whether you want silver blades or black blades. And remember the rule, only one vote per user or channel. Second votes will not count. So, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.